Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me is SONY Xperia 5 Mark IV device, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So first, let's start with the question of why your phone is slowing down. Basically, it's because your phone can't handle the load you have put on it. This is either because the phone is not powerful enough to do what you want to do, or because you are not taking a good care of it. So you should always understand that every device is designed to perform a certain amount of tasks with a certain dynamic. And not every device can give you the opportunity to work on it smoothly at high dynamic of use, and even with heavy tasks. But despite the above, you have really powerful and full performance device, and I will show you 3 aspects why your device can slow down after the time. So the first aspect and the biggest aspect that can slow down your device is the memory. The onboard memory of device is a limited resource, and often the winner is the one who invests in a device with more built-in memory. That's it. And the whole point in the device with full built-in memory begins to slow down. So remember not to fill your built-in memory more than 70% full, because after 70% your device will be slowed down because your processor needs to find the file into your memory from application you want to open, yes, and to do it, your processor needs to obtain a lot of information because memory is full and it's slowing down. So that's it. So you need to free up memory and your device will be work great. The second aspect that can negatively affect the speed of your device is the lack of RAM. All the processes the processor is running at the moment are running in RAM. All the applications that are running at the moment are also running in RAM. So here again, the winner is the one who bought a device with a more temporary storage. The RAM can be freed by unloading the running application or by disabling the background work of the applications. So I will show you how to unload from the RAM applications. So just click on this square button and click clear all, and now all applications was cleared from your memory. And of course harmful files. I just want to check if the files application has a built-in cleaner. Yes, we have built-in cleaner in our device. So the third aspect that can slow down your device is the files that are left over from running apps. Yes, applications in the Android operation system leaving behind a lot of junk unnecessary files that are not noticeable to the average user of a device. In order to clean these files, you will need a special program pre-installed on your device. Is Google Files application. I can't remove it from my device, it's pre-installed applications. As you can see, I can't remove it. So open it and here click clean, and here as you can see, you will see junk files, temporary app file taking up space. Click clean, click clear, wait a while, and great, junk files was successfully cleaned from my device. Here of course you can see how much space using images, videos, audio, documents and other, and of course bin. You need to clean recycle bin from times to times. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.